Hello.
Hello, friends. Welcome to today's lesson. Kids, do you know what we're going to learn about today? Today, we're going to learn about the k sound. Can you repeat it after me? The k sound. It's letter K and makes the k sound. Letter K makes the sound k. Letter K, 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 k. Now we're going to take a look at the friends of the k sound. Kettle, k, k, kettle. Kangaroo, k, k, kangaroo. King, k, k, king. Key, k, k, key. Kite, k, k, kite. Kitten, k, k, kitten. It's activity time, friends. Color the pictures that begins with the k sound. Have fun while coloring and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.